In this chapter, we'll discuss about agricultural insurance. So we take various insurance policies such as LIC policies. We have a separate chapter discussing about insurance. But you are aware of LIC policies, okay? So it's like a safety measure in case any untoward incident happen. Agriculture needs this more because agriculture depends a lot on the vagaries of monsoons. So natural calamities like floods, droughts, cyclones, they affect the harvest. So there are some insurance schemes targeted towards agriculture. At the national level, one is the National Agriculture Insurance Scheme, NAIS. So it provides insurance to farmers against losses due to crop failure on account of natural calamities. And it covers major food crops and oilseeds and horticultural crops also. There will be 10% subsidy on premium to small and marginal farmers. And the claims are automatically calculated based on the shortfall in the current season. Okay. And something called a GCES. That's a General Crops Estimation Survey. It's compared to a threshold yield. This is not required how the claim is calculated. That's an advanced topic. But just remember this scheme, though was very successful, it was discontinued from 2016 Kharif season. Right now, the crop insurance scheme which is presently in vogue is the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Okay, here there is no upper limit on the government subsidy provided by the central and state governments. Even if the balance premium is 90%, it will be borne by the government. Okay, so in the earlier schemes, there was a provision of capping the premium rate. So that is the NAIS in the earlier schemes, they had this capping of premium rate which resulted in lower claims paid to farmers. And officials said this capping was done to limit the government outgone premium subsidy. Now this capping has now been removed. Okay, and the farmers will get claim against full sum insured without any reduction. So following the rollout of this scheme, the crop insurance coverage is set to increase from 23% of the total area of cultivation to 50%. Okay, and the losses incurred at any stage, right from the sowing stage to the post-harvest, will be covered under this scheme, because in the earlier schemes only post-harvest losses were covered under the facility. And also farmers who have not taken bank loans will be eligible for insurance cover. Okay, and the subsidy will be borne by the central and the state government equally. And the farmers should harvest those crops which the Ministry of Agriculture will notify. So Ministry of Agriculture will come up with a list of crops which the farmers can harvest in that area, in that land. Okay, so only if they harvest those crops, it will be eligible for crop insurance. And in the earlier schemes, only 20 million of the estimated 120 million farmers had the crop insurance in 14-15. Now the scheme is targeting to improve on that. Okay, so as a future banker, you just need to remember there is more responsibility of banks for covering more number of farmers under this scheme, because as per rules, banks are squarely responsible. In case there is a crop loss to a farmer who is not insured, the bank will have to make good the loss, because the burden is now on the banks and the insurance companies to deliver. Okay, so you are future bankers, so remember this point. Government and ministry give a lot of importance to the rural and agriculture sector. So there is more responsibility in the banker to make sure that there are no omissions. So in this chapter, the only question just remember is, what do you know about the crop insurance scheme Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana? So just remember a couple of points which you discussed. That will be sufficient. Okay.